Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video is creative and unique in itself like my previous videos, but this video is absolutely for those who are in search of hand embroidery patterns that are unique, mesmerizing, eye-catchy, extremely beautiful and at the same time easy to make. If you want to give your hand art a masterpiece, massive, enormous, positive applause, massive praise, then this video collection is absolutely for you. You can use these hoop art to design any type of your dresses, any type of home decor, and whatever type of accessories that you want to make your hand art look like a masterpiece of creativity. So for more creative, unique and stylish ideas, don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the latest upcoming new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.